Are you looking for some EDC gear for this holiday season for that special loved one in your life? You know, it doesn't have to be just for a guy. I know a lot of women that carry these different Leatherman tools around with them too, and they absolutely love these things. So first up, we've got the bit lockers that you can get, 40 different bits. Then we have the ratchet over here, which will actually fit into any of the Leatherman that have the proprietary flat bit design. It fits right in there. You've got definitely 3 different modes that you can put this in. Ratchet one way, ratchet, tighten, loosen, and then you can lock it into the middle right there, the little circle, and it becomes a driver. And it does lock in. Pull it a little bit, pops right out. And since this one is already in my hand, this is the Leatherman Arc. Guys, this right here is probably the premium of all of the Leatherman tools. I've told you this in several videos. The P4 used to be my very favorite that I used to carry around, but it was missing a lot of different tools in it that I kind of wish it had. Well, then came the Arc. The Arc actually had everything that I was missing, including the flat bit driver and the Magna Cut steel blade. Cool thing about the Arc, single-handed open, as you can see. It's got magnets holding everything closed. And next up, we've got the Leatherman Signal. This is definitely your camper's knife because this is kind of made for going out and doing the camping stuff, but still at the same time having your pliers, your removable wire cutters that you can replace. And then over here, you've got your leather awl. You've got a flat bit driver. You've also got your little can opener right there. And here's the reason I say that it is actually made for campers. You've got a ferro rod right here for actually striking and starting a fire. Really simple to pop out. You just do that, and there's your ferro rod. And then if you happen to be out fishing, you've got a diamond sharpener right here. You simply push down on this portion, slide it back, pops it right out. This will work for sharpening your fish hooks and touching up your blade that is on the Leatherman Signal. You'll notice that it is kind of rounded. That is so that way you can touch up your blade and touch up your serrations if you need to. Then you've also got the pocket clip right here, hammer or mallet right there, 1/4 inch hex for putting your different bits in, and a pocket clip. So then we travel around and we're going to go to the Leatherman Wave Alpha. And I'm going to tell you right now, Leatherman listened to the customers when they came back and redid this. G10 scales, Magna Cut blade, one of the largest scissors now that is on any of the Leatherman products. And if you've used any Leatherman products, you know their scissors are legit. You've still got your saw and your 3-sided file. Diamond blade, wood, metal. And then when you pop it into its plier configuration, you've got your needle nose, your regular plier, and a removable wire cutter. And inside of here, you've got the flat pry bar. You've got the micro screwdriver right here, your leather awl, and then on this side, you've got your flat bit and your can opener, bottle opener. So then we jump over to the Skeletool. Skeletool is probably one of the ones that I call the bare minimalist of all the different Leatherman products. It's a blade, a pair of pliers, and a screwdriver. It's a 7-in-1 tool. You do actually have another blade that is hidden right in this compartment that you can pop out. That is your Phillips. This is your flat blade. But then you've also got just your wire cutters, blunt nose, needle nose right here with your basic pliers right there. And then you've got your carabiner with your bottle opener right here with a pocket clip so you can drop this down into your pocket. Very minimalistic, perfect for hikers or day trips and stuff like that. Then we come over to the rebar. The rebar in its new colors, I got the burnt sienna. This is very similar to like one of the old super tools, but this is a minimalist version. And what I like about what they did with the rebar is they upgraded it to have the removable and replaceable wire cutters. You still got all the blades and everything that rebar is known for. It's nice bladed knife. You've got your awl, your pry bar, your file, and on this side over here, you've got your can opener and your built-in Phillips bit. So there you go, guys. We have covered the Leatherman products that are available here on the TikTok shop and that will meet your budget. Just pick and choose whichever it is you want. And you know what? Honestly, if you give somebody one of these, they are going to be very pleased with it. So, happy holidays, y'all.